Okay, this section is actually going to be pretty easy, so this is going to be a pretty short video. We are looking at some vocabulary words, okay? So, rate of change. If you have a linear function, then it is going to be changing by the rate of change. So, if we have a linear function, we need to look at our slope, and we will say that it's increasing or decreasing by that. This is positive. So we have increasing by 2 because the rate of change is 2. If you have an exponential function, it is changing by a factor of. If I see this word factor of, I know it has to be exponential. Factor means to multiply. We multiply the number before by the ratio to get the new number in the sequence. So here we always look for the ratio it's changing by, which is b. This says it's increasing by a factor of 3 because that's the ratio of change. So I've got two pictures here. The first thing I want to do is for the first one, I'm going to figure out the slope. So I put a dot in one place where it crosses. Here's another place. So remember, it's rise over run. So I go down 3 over 1. And my rule was, if it is linear, I say it changes by, and then I either use the word increases or decreases. For this one, I have a negative slope, so it decreases by 3. And that would be that's all we're looking for is what term we're doing. So all you need to say is it decreases by 3. On the other one, we see we've got an exponential graph. So we're going to do our first point, go to the next point. We can see it's exponential, so we're looking for what we're multiplying by. We multiply, this is 2. This is 4. So to get from 2 to 4, I multiply by 2. And this graph is going up. So I would say this increases by a factor, because we are multiplying, right, of 2. So that's all I'm looking for. So on the worksheet that goes with this, all you have to do is decide if you are looking at a linear function, an exponential function, if you are decreasing or increasing. If you're looking at it exponential, you should be doing by a factor of. And if you are looking at a linear, you should just say that it decreases or increases by that number.